Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to solve your Wi-Fi issues. If you have your Wi-Fi and it is not connecting devices, just like when you try to connect any wireless device, it's not connecting to it, or your wireless is not shown on your taskbar here. Another thing is that when you connect to wireless devices, they do automatically disconnect, maybe within just some few minutes. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. So without further delay, let's get started. Whilst this is happening to your PC, what you first need to do is that just restart your PC. Now by restarting the PC, you just click on the start and then restart your PC just at first. When you restart and come back and it is still showing the same signs, now what you have to do is that you would have to try your network reset. By resetting your network, it's very easy and simple. So let's restart your network settings. So now click on the start and go into your settings. If something happened and your settings is not shown here, you can just right click on the start and then just go right click on the start and then you have the settings here. So once you click on it, it is just going to open your settings for you. So now just as we are on our home here, now what you have to do is that just go to your network and internet. Right, so on your network and internet, now scroll down and then move to advanced network settings. Click on that and now you can see that we have the network settings here. So just move down and then we have here network reset. So once you just click on it, it is just going to show. Now you can see we have network reset and this is the caption that is aligned with it. This will remove, then install all your network adapters and set networking components back to their original settings. So you might need to install other networking software after, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So what this is going to do is that it is going to reset every network configuration that you have done. Once you just click on the reset button, that is what this is going to do. It's going to reset whatever network configuration that you have done back to their default settings. So if you have done any network configurations, you'll have to redo it after this reset. So now let's click on the reset now. Right, so as you can see, are you sure you want to reset it? And it says yes. Right, so now you can see that it now pops up that you are about to sign out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. So shutdown will start. Right, it's just giving a specific day. So I said yeah, so I close this for now. So now once it has given you a pop-up message that is going to restart in 5 minutes, so you just wait patiently. In the 5 minutes time, just save whatever work that you are doing and wait for the 5 minutes, then the PC will restart automatically by itself. So let's wait on until it restarts. So now you can see that it's saying that you are about to sign out. So it's left with 2 minutes for it to sign out, as you can see. So you just wait for the 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, then it will restart by itself. So you just close it, or you can just leave it while just waiting on it to restart. So my PC has just been restarted and it has now rebooted normal. So now once you just come in, just try to connect with the network. Right, so just click on this and then try to connect with the wireless network, just to be sure that it is working or not. And for my case, you can see that it is now connected. But let's assume that in your case, if it still doesn't work, what you need to do is that you can just update your drivers. Just right click this PC properties, go to properties and then move down to device manager. Right, so just move down to device manager here. Right, so as we have device manager here, so you just move down to your network and adapters and you have your wireless adapter here. So as you can see, this is my wireless adapter. So you see a wireless attached to the driver name. So you just right click on it and update driver. So that is if you have another source of internet connected to your PC. So maybe by using a Bluetooth connection to hotspot your internet, or using a USB cable to your phone, or by using an Ethernet source of internet. Right. But if you don't have any of this, you can just use a different PC, download the drivers specifically for your PC. So depending on your PC name, so you can just go to your settings and see your PC name here. If I go to the settings, okay, already I'm in the settings. So you can just go to the home, and you can see you have your PC model here. This will be your PC model. So you just use that to download the drivers and now copy them back to your PC and then install that. So basically that is just how easy and simple it is to solve this your Wi-Fi issues if you are having problems connecting to Wi-Fi networks. If this video was helpful to you in any way, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We see you on our next one.